Guys, welcome back to an early morning episode of Summit Life TV. Today it's about 5 o'clock in the morning and everything's getting set up right now. Sorry I look like crap, I'm just tired, but I'm going to show you guys the setup. Tonight we're going out to a pond, or today we're going out to a pond. Alright, so we're in the truck, about ready to get going. Alright guys, so we just got to Long Pond. We're at the boat ramp now. We're just trying to figure things out because it looks like it's a little bit flooded. So I'll show you guys. Where are we gonna pull the boat onto?
Pull it right up on the boat.
Okay, so we just launched the boat.
Fly rod alright?
Yep. There he is, fighting good now.
You want me to wind that one in, Brett?
I think I crossed my fly line.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Let me wind that in. Yeah, pass it up here.
Good.
Yeah, hang on.
Yeah, I crossed it. I don't know, I'm underneath it.
Get it out of the way. Oh, this is a nice little boat.
He's fighting pretty good now.
Oh, that's
splashing
nice,
at the back of the boat.
Nice rainbow.
Oh, he let go. Oh, man. That's disappointing. Well, let's go catch some more. There's not a tight line on that one. How big do you think that rainbow was? This big?
It was good. It was bigger than any of the
I
other
like
ones.
this big.
Yeah, it was good size.
Good, decent sized rainbow.
You know, just, I think we're good, Brad. This thing's turned out to be very good.
Let's get another fish on. Mondo.
Fish on a Mongo. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that.
Oh, man.
That's
What a fish.
yeah,
Woohoo!
that's a beauty there.
Jeez. Again, what type of fly did you catch that on?
That's going to be out in the market soon.
You guys heard it here. It's going to be out in the market soon. It's in the making. This fly catches fish. The old man knows what he's doing. Fish, you want to hold him up for me so I can get a picture of you? Look at that orange, huh?
Yeah, I know. I don't know what's...
eating.
Probably trout bait. I have
Here,
no
hold 'em
idea.
up for me quick so I can get a
Yeah, all right. Come on.
The old man,
Ready?
he's selling his flies. Get him now.
this
before
one
they
works.
sell out. It does work.
Let's get him back in.
Alright.
As much as I want to take him for lunch. There you go. Yeah, you did. Here you go, Brad. Get your rod in, Brad? Or
Yep, my rod's in.
pump that forward a little bit. Again, on my
Wow,
lure.
that's a good one.
My favorite lure.
Another fish on that lure.
Yeah. Oh, what a nice rainbow there, huh?
Chunker. Alright.
I don't want to get too much slime on my gloves. Whoa, ho, ho, baby. Quick release. There we go. There he is. Got some nice color on him.
Awesome.
There he goes.
He's gone. Oh, that was a good fish.
Yes, sir.
Hey, trout fishing today was awesome. The boat did great. All of our rods, all of our reels. My dad's new lures did phenomenal. We caught all the fish on those things today. And, or not all of them, but a lot of good fish on them today. And they work. So, if you guys are interested in those, I think he wants to sell a few. I'm not sure, though. It's kind of like a secret lure type thing that he's got going on, but I'll try to convince him to sell them. And thank you guys for tuning into this episode of Summit Life TV. If you guys do like this episode, please do like, comment, and subscribe.